The project is titled Merge vs. Rebase by Example. This project visually explains the differences between git merge and git rebase through hands-on commands and commit graph exercises, aiming to help developers grasp Git concepts intuitively. A common confusion exists between git merge and git rebase. This project highlights their purposes through practical exploration of commits, branches, and Git's graph structure. Key takeaways suggest using rebase for local branches and merge for shared ones. Always rebase controlled branches before merging to maintain a linear history. This section introduces the core concepts comparing git merge and git rebase, emphasizing terms of commit history, representation, and organization. Using git merge combines histories from two branches, creating a new commit that maintains the original commits and enhances visual representation of the commit structure. Git rebase replays commits onto a new base, resulting in a linear history. It produces new commits and hashes instead of merging them into an existing structure. The decision guide explains situations to use merge or rebase based on goals such as updating branches, combining branches, or preparing for clean pull requests. This section provides commands for merging and rebasing, demonstrating how to visualize branch history and the effects of each command. A demo section presents commands in action, showcasing the results of merging and rebasing in a real repository setup. Setup involves creating the main and diverged feature branch, laying the groundwork for merge and rebase examples in Git. Instructions for creating a few commits in the main branch, providing initial conditions for demonstrating Git operations. Describes the process of diversifying branches by creating a feature branch and adding commits to both main and feature branches. Visualizing the diverged state highlights branches in parallel, demonstrating the separation and relationship between commits in different branches. This section explains how git merge results in combining a feature branch into the main branch while preserving the commit history. After merging, a new merge commit is created. This section discusses the output of observing commit history, where the feature commits integrate into main. Git rebase results in a linear sequence of commits, which alters the original commits' hashes but maintains their changes and positions them in chronological order. Describes how, after rebasing, only the rebased branch's commits are rewritten, effectively resulting in a clean and linear history. References include documentation for git merge and git rebase, along with additional resources for understanding Git workflows.